Okay, so this one is for an ankle sprain. So if they've done the ATFL, the CFL, the PTFL, or part of the deltoid ligament, we just change the configuration. So the first position is I like to put the foam roller under the calf. So we're just gonna move this down a little bit. Yep, just so their leg can comfortably dangle in the air, okay? So first thing we're gonna do is an anchor just above the malleoli, just here. Just there, coming through. Not too much tension on this one. This is just for the tape to hold on to, okay? In terms of positioning, we're gonna get the foot to neutral, so as comfortably as you can. All right, this is the hard part. So we're gonna go for figure sixes. So this is for an ATFL. Gonna start dead center of the ankle, going around the malleoli, under the Achilles, around the side, and then back over, okay? So it's underneath, wrapping around the heel, coming back up, and then back on itself, just like that, okay? Same thing. I like to change the angle slightly, so coming underneath, around the heel, and up along the ATFL, just landing on itself, okay? And to finish off, just anchoring just like this. Pretty comfortable? Easy? Cool. All right, we might change the angle just to do the deltoid ligament. Okay, so this is for a deltoid ligament. It's exactly the same as the figure sixes on the other side, but we're just flipping the orientation now, okay? So same position here. We've already got the anchor down. So for any kind of medial pain, starting dead center, coming under, change the angle a bit, coming underneath the heel, locking the heel in, and finishing figure six. So it's going along the outside there. A few crinkles, so might need to change the angle up a little bit more. Every foot is a little bit different, so you need to, with practice, you'll learn which angle works best for everyone. Coming down, a few crinkles still, coming underneath the heel, and then finishing up there, and then we finish with just an anchor on top.